आज हमारे साथ जी टीवी कैनेडा के स्टूडियो में उपस्थित हुए हैं डॉक्टर अरुण गर्ग, जिनके साथ बातचीत करेंगे कोरोना वायरस के बारे में कि हम कौन सी चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए ताकि हम इस वायरस की लपेट में आने से बच सके। वेलकम टू जी टीवी कैनेडा स्टूडियो।
Pleasure is mine.
डॉक्टर अरुण गर्ग, जैसे कि हम देख रहे हैं कि कोरोना वायरस पूरे देश में फैल रहा है, इसके बहुत सारे केसेस देखने को मिल रहे हैं, तो सबसे पहले हम जानना चाहेंगे कि ये वायरस है क्या?
Yeah, I'm very happy to talk about a very current topic. Everybody's talking about, the news is full of it, and it has a major public health issue. But I must say right up front that if anybody has any symptoms or they think they have, they should consult their doctor. This conversation is more about just sharing some information and where my personal perspective is. So with that introduction, so to say, first of all, people might say, oh, what is virus? You know, I was just reading, and there is a connection to our heritage. The word virus is derived from the word viro, which is a Sanskrit word, and it means poison. So virus is really DNA or RNA, which is the nucleic acid. So us, we have cells, and our nucleic acid is in a membrane, and that then is covered by a cell. So, but virus essentially is free DNA or RNA, and coronavirus is one of them. There are 1,000 variety of viruses, and common cold, influenza, and this is one of many types of viruses which affect our respiratory system. So that's why it affects breathing. So that's what this virus is. And for whatever reason, people still don't know how it evolved. Some fascinating stories, I don't know how much time we have, but some say it came from the bats. Bats were flying and they transmitted it. Some say it came from snakes. But essentially what happens is that it is in animal kingdom, and there this protein stays and doing its thing harmlessly. But when it's transferred from animal, sometimes to humans, and humans don't have immunity, this foreign to it, then it becomes poison or toxic. And this particular coronavirus is an example of that. There are many different types of coronaviruses, and they have even given a specific name, you know.
और इस वायरस से बचने के लिए जो लोग हैं उनको किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए?
Prevention in this circumstance is even more important, and I think we need to take good care. And I think again, lifestyle becomes very important, and lifestyle related to stress and get good sleep and eat properly, lots of fruits, veggies, so your immune system, boost your immune system. But there are 2 or 3 very specific things you could do to lower your chances. Obviously, it's transmitted from human to human, so you have to come in contact with somebody. So try to avoid those situations. That's what is happening on the aeroplanes, the flights, the big, large meetings, and isolation. You hear about quarantine, all that. So governments of the day are working very hard to prevent that. But what an individual can do, what you and I can do, I think the most important thing is because it's transmitted from human to human, and the primary contact is through when you breathe or when you cough or when you sneeze. So make sure that you cover yourself. So sneeze in your arm, like, you know, so these droplets don't go. If you think you have cold, or if you are sneezing or you're sick, stay home, so don't pass it. That's something you could do to prevent its going out. To lower you getting it, wash your hands. I can't say enough times that is such a prevention. And washing doesn't have to be vigorous, but has to be proper. And you have to use a little bit of soap. But the one I've taken it to heart, and that is shaking hands. Shaking hand is a very, relatively speaking, I think, a new custom. And what people are saying is, do not, they're saying in those terms, do not shake hands, use other means of greetings, hugging and kissing and all that, don't do it. And for our people, with our heritage, the traditional namaste is a wonderful mudra, and I think we should all adopt it. So I would say, when you meet somebody, don't shake hands, go like this. So that, I think, is my message. Use the greeting, and this is a beautiful gesture, you know, you're folding your hands, you're bringing your hands together, and if you have done some reading about it, the significance is you're really bringing your heart to the heart. You know, when they bring their folding, you bring your folding, you're meeting from the heart to heart. And what better that can be? So I think in a way this is very positive.
डॉक्टर अरुण गर्ग जी, आप हमारे ZTV कैनेडा के स्टूडियो में आए हैं। कोरोना वायरस से किस तरह हम अपना बचाव कर सकते हैं, इसके बारे में जानकारी आपने शेयर की है। आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Thank you. Pleasure. And I appreciate you giving me the opportunity.